you as a human being have a duty. Deep down, you should feel a curiosity to go and figure out who is it who blessed me with the things that I have. You don't even have to go far. Just your eyes, your ears. Imagine you have a loved one. This loved one is ill. They're sick. They need surgery. And while the doctors come and tell you, listen, this loved one of yours needs surgery, but there's a huge bill for it. You can't just do the surgery. You have to find someone who's going to pay the bill. It's a very high bill. Yes? You can't even take care of it. Your loved one is running out of time. Imagine one day you come to the hospital and your loved one says, Alhamdulillah, it's taken care of. Somebody took care of it. What's the first question you ask when you hear this? You're like, who did this? You want to figure out who did it, who blessed us like this. In fact, that will be a burning question for you, maybe for the rest of your life. You come, you ask the hospital, it says anonymous. Are you okay with that answer? You're not okay with that answer. You're like, no. I need to find out who this is. This is a journey you have to go on. Who gave me these things? If it's going to lead to God, it's going to lead to God. Wherever it's going to lead you, you have to ask that question.